How to create a basic discount in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a basic or some of the basic discounts that you're going to find into Shopify store. So we're going to head over the admin dashboard of our Shopify account. Once we have did that, this is as you can see the main screen that you're going to find. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to find something called discounts. But before I proceed to discounts, I need to create something more important, which is going to be the product. What is a discount without products? So I'm going to add here a product and start creating it. So I'm going to add, for example, iPad. I'm going to have here an iPad 11-inch, for example, retina display. And we're going to have, for example, the let's say description of it. This is what iPad is this? 11. This is an iPad Air, I think 10, or let's say this. We are going to generate here the thing. We are going to generate a description real quick. I'm going to keep it. For the media, I'm going to upload an image or two images. We're going to put here the price. We'll compare it at, let's say here, 699. Quantity, so we are going to put here like that. The weight is going to be 1.5 kilogram, for example. I am going to have everything set up just like that. Now we are going to save the product. This is the first thing. Now what we're going to do is going to be waiting for the saving. This is it. We're going to head over the discount and we are going to create our discount. So we have 4 types of discounts. If you see more, that means that you have installed some apps that will allow you to create some discounts. So we have the amount of product, get X, or buy X, get Y, or for example, buy one product and get one for free. Amount of order, free shipping. Now the most basic discount here is going to be an amount of product. All of them are going to be basics, but the basic of the basic is going to be this. We're going to choose it. So we are going to either create a discount code. So we are going to generate one or create one from our imagination, or apply an automatic discount on a particular product. This is why I have created a product. So I'm going to put here, for example, the title, let's say 50 or 30, for example, off. This is the name, the title of it. The discount is going to be, for example, 30%. The apply is going to be a specific product, not a collection. I'm going to put it to this only. And we are going to set up the availability on POS, for example. I don't know. I'm not going to put it on the POS. The minimum purchase, I'm not going to minimally require something to purchase to apply this discount. You can go ahead and put a minimum purchase amount of something, I don't know, of maybe $300, $400, $500 to apply this. Minimum quantity of products, it is going to be up to you. Combination, you can activate some combination right there to the product. For example, a product discount, a order discount, a shipping discount, and etc. So unfortunately, I cannot combine with any other discount at the checkout because it is going to be only something that we are going to create for this sake or the basic model. You can go ahead and put an activation date and also an ending date. So I'm going to activate it here. We're going to deactivate it or disable it here. And here we have created the discount. Now, if you are going to put the discount code, you can go ahead and put, for example, 3 off like that. And this is the code. You're going to give it away in social media or for clients like the announcement bar and etc. And then you're going to select also a specific collection or a product. You can go ahead and have a bulk product by selecting specific collection, and then you can go ahead and have something right away. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.